Have you ever wondered why your gut feelings don't match your beliefs? Implicit attitudes reveal why. They operate below our awareness, influencing behavior in powerful ways. Let's dive deeper into this fascinating topic. Traditional research thought attitudes were conscious and reportable. But recent findings show many attitudes are implicit. This means they function automatically and often without our knowledge. Researchers Greenwald and Banaji highlighted this difference in 1995. Now, let's differentiate between explicit and implicit attitudes. Explicit attitudes are deliberate. You can report them easily, like filling out a survey. But implicit attitudes aren't so straightforward. They're automatic and unconscious, triggered by mere exposure to certain stimuli. For instance, consider a social worker. They might consciously advocate for racial equality. However, their implicit attitudes might still differ. They could show a bias favoring white faces over black faces in tests. This doesn't make them a racist. It shows learned biases influencing their behavior unintentionally. One tool to measure these implicit attitudes is the Implicit Association Test, or IAT. Developed by Greenwald, McGhee, and Schwartz in 1998, the IAT is the go-to method for assessing such biases. It examines how easily people associate different concepts. How does the IAT work? Participants categorize words or images into 4 groups using 2 keys. In one part of the test, black faces with good words share 1 key. Meanwhile, white faces with bad words share another. The process flips in the next part. Faster responses when black and good are paired suggest a stronger implicit favor toward black individuals. The IAT has sparked conversation about its validity. It can predict subtle behaviors like discrimination and nonverbal discomfort. It's often more effective than explicit measures at indicating these biases. Yet, critics note it has lower test-retest reliability and modest validity for overt actions. Now, why does this matter for social work? Implicit bias can significantly impact clinical judgment, client rapport, and resource distribution. Research shows many professionals hold biases against marginalized clients, like black and disabled individuals. This leads to unequal treatment, which needs addressing. So what can social workers do? First, recognize that implicit biases are culturally learned, not flaws in character. Next, take the IAT at implicit.harvard.edu as a reflective exercise. Lastly, implement Debiasing strategies. Slow down, take perspective, and replace biased associations with positive images. To summarize, implicit attitudes are powerful influences in our lives, often conflicting with our conscious beliefs. The Implicit Association Test sheds light on these biases, highlighting the need for awareness in fields like social work. By recognizing and addressing implicit biases, professionals can strive for fairer treatment for all clients. We encourage you to explore this topic further. Take the IAT today and reflect on your own implicit attitudes. Your understanding can lead to positive change in how you connect with others. Let's work together to create a more equitable world.